Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that might be new here, welcome. My name is Becca, and in today's video, I am going to be talking about a very special hair product. I am in no way, shape, or form an expert on hair. I usually live in a ponytail or a bun. But when I was asked to try this product, I was really excited to give it a shot because who doesn't like to try new things, right? This product is called the Neo Powdered Shampoo by a brand called C.I.C. When they sent it to me, I was so intrigued because I had never heard of a powdered shampoo before. I've used powdered facial cleansers, which I actually have a few that I really love, but a powdered shampoo was very interesting to me, so I couldn't wait to try it. And again, it is called the Neo Powder Shampoo by C.I.C. So obviously the coolest thing about this is that it is in powder form, which means they've removed all the water. So all of the ingredients that are in here are in its 100% natural state, and it hasn't been diluted. So you're getting all the benefit from all the products that they use. And I have a little cheat sheet here that they sent me, so I want to share some of the ingredients and benefits of the shampoo with you. So it says here that a little bit goes a very long way, and once it's activated with water, it turns into a luxurious cleansing foam. So that is so cool. Something that I love is that it helps to balance out your pH, not just on the scalp, but through the whole strand of hair. And it helps to remove any oils or any excess dirt or buildup that's been left on the scalp. This is an all-natural product, and the way that they get that foamy consistency when you're washing it is with coconut. The Neo Powder Shampoo contains no preservatives, unlike some of the other water-based options that you might find in store. And they use natural essential oils to create the fragrance from hemp and ginger. And it's not going to have any drying properties to it to make the hair brittle or break apart. So I want to talk to all you moms out there. When it comes to our hair, we pretty much live off of dry shampoo and hairspray. It's very rare that we're able to wash our hair every single day. So obviously dry shampoo and hairstyling products are our best friends, right? But over time, using all of those products, it can start to sit in the scalp and create a little bit of buildup. So finding a good product that can actually get in there and give your scalp a really good, deep clean is really important to kind of remove all the oils and the buildup from all the products that have accumulated over 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 days of unwashed hair. Alright, so I have decided to take you guys with me in the shower. It's not as creepy as it sounds. But I'm going to take you guys along with me while I try it out, and let's see how this stuff works. Let's go. This shampoo can be used in 2 different ways. If you have more oily hair, you can take it and shake the shampoo directly on the scalp when your hair is still dry and work it in a little bit to help absorb any excess oil first. I don't typically have oily hair, so I went ahead and wet my scalp first and then poured a little bit of the powder into my hand and then massaged it in my hair from there. I wanted to take a good minute to really work it into the scalp, and as I did, it created a really nice foam, which I liked a lot. After I took a minute to work it through the scalp, I wanted to make sure that I pulled it down through the rest of the hair. Now it's time to rinse. After I was done, I just went ahead and continued with my normal conditioner. After I took my hair out of the towel, before I even started to blow it dry, it already had such a softer feel to it, and I didn't even have to run a brush through it. It was so great. I really felt like I got such a better benefit from my conditioner. As you can see here, I can literally just run my fingers through my hair without a brush. After blowing it dry, my hair had so much volume to it, and it just felt so healthy and shiny. Alrighty, hair hair has been washed, dried, and styled. I haven't done that in a long time. Anyway, this is the finished product. First off, I just have to say, can you guys see how shiny my hair is? It is so shiny right now. I don't ever notice it being quite this shiny. I don't know if it's the shampoo or what. I'll be completely honest, I was a little bit skeptical at first before I used it because I was not really sure how much foam and suds I was gonna get out of it. And it really sudsed up just like a normal shampoo would. I couldn't believe it. It smelled really, really good. It had a very clean, fresh scent to it. And the biggest thing that I noticed about it is after I rinsed the shampoo out and used my normal conditioner, my conditioner went through my hair so much more easily. My hair is very long, but it's fine and thin, which in return makes it tangle very easily. And when I used my conditioner in the shower, I could just like run my fingers through it, which I normally can't do. When I dry my hair, I have to run a brush through it. And as you guys saw, I was just taking my fingertips and running my fingers through my hair. Again, I can never normally do that, so that was really cool. Seriously, look at that. I mean, this is really crazy. I normally cannot do this to my hair at all. Like, it's just so soft and smooth and shiny. I don't know. For a first impression, I'm pretty impressed, I have to say. I don't really get too excited about hair products very often like I do makeup or skincare, but I am pretty impressed. I can't wait to use it again in 3 or 4 days when I have time to wash my hair again, but I'm impressed. I like it. My hair feels really, really good. So I think if you're a mom like me or someone who just doesn't wash your hair on a daily basis, if you use a lot of styling products, or if you have oilier scalp or extra buildup in the scalp, it really deep cleans the scalp and the hair without stripping it, and the hyaluronic acid in it helps the hair retain moisture and give it that really pretty shine. I love it. One last little thing that I do want to share that I think is really important. I love brands that will donate and give back to charity. And this brand, C.I.C, has partnered with a charity in Uganda. It is called the NYAKA or NYAKA. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's NYAKA. It's an orphans project over in Uganda. And for every bottle of the Neo shampoo purchased on the C.I.C website, they donate a bottle to the NYAKA Orphan Project. I love when brands do good, and I think it's so important to support each other. And if you would like to know a little bit more about the NYAKA project, I am going to link a precious video that they have made to tell you a little bit more about it. It's going to be in the description box below, and just for that reason alone, that's going to be a great reason to pick up one of these shampoos. So definitely go check out C.I.C Beauty and what they're all about. I love revolutionary products. I love when brands come out with products that aren't saturating the market, and I've never seen a powdered shampoo. There may be others out there, I don't know, but this was a lot of fun, and I definitely think you guys should give it a try. And I know that you know, but you can always find me on Facebook and Instagram, so come hang out with me there, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell here on YouTube. I hope all of you have a great day, and I will see you again very soon. All right, guys, bye-bye.